since it's the 13th. And yeah, that can only mean one thing, a portfolio update. What we see is stocks overall are green. Like today is the day my savings plan on Scalable hits, as well as on Bitpanda. It will be Thursday's inflation report, which should probably shake up the markets. Then yeah, just I got a subscription when I'm not logged in, fuck it. Anyways, there's been some gas flow hoaxes about Norway and malfunctions from Shell and everything. So basically, gas is gonna get higher, pensioners are gonna get fucked all over Europe, and yeah. Equities are slightly up for absolutely no reason. If you look at my portfolio, that's kinda down. Minus 4% in the last 24 hours. If we go to home, we do see I have my savings plans still going bi-weekly for BTC, 25 monthly for Ether. I still am invested in the Bustabit bankroll. I do have some nice investing profit, nearly half of my bankroll on there. Do have some more BTC, which I will invest once it's at 10,000 bits or 0.01 BTC. Then going into this, my portfolio on Scalable is right now on 1600. And yeah, I mean, we've got a small small plus for today, but we're down 117 since we started buying. If you look at what I have as single stocks, Berkshire Hathaway, Omega Healthcare, because it's something which pays good dividend and it's just gotten cheaper and cheaper for 9% dividend yield. It's amazing that the stock is going actually lower because it's a nursing home stock, so there's always going to be old people, especially as somebody living in Germany. There are many people which are older which will need nursing. Then Microsoft is actually dividend growth stock. Many people don't know it, so I'm glad that I can buy more cheaply. Kind of those two are also dividend stocks. Intel, you know, Intel if you're gamer, because most of my people watching on this channel are actually gamers. And yeah, Realty Income Corp, it's just a REIT, real estate investment trust. Also my single stocks and my ETF buying the whole portfolio. Largest position iShares Core S&P 500. Distributing because we have basically 800 euro per year, which is free. And then because I'm a student, I can actually get up to 500k in dividends without having to tax any of that. That's a loophole because most politicians' children can't get that much money which they want to actually spend gifted to them by their parents without it being stock dividends. So yeah, that's their way around that. Second largest position is in all country gold. I'm currently having a savings rate of 57 euros, but like just this, the inflation protection at 8% PA, so like as you can see, my savings plan is gonna get plus 8% per year, which is insane if you actually think about it. Because like even a year ago, I would have laughed you out of the room if you said like we had over 3% inflation like ever. And yeah, Dividend Aristocrat ETF. The dividend from that is actually pretty fucking bad. It's nearly the same as the S&P 500, but it's a lot more stable basically. As you can see, it doesn't go up as much as the S&P, but if you go on the 6-month chart, it's down -2%, while the market as a whole is down a lot. Like if you go there, yeah, well, that's just my fuck. Well, the market itself was down pretty significantly. I mean, everybody knows that since like the last. Now, if we swap to since bought, like to just see how it looks like, there's a sea of red. I don't like that. I just think it's neat because all of those things, like the emerging markets ETF, my iShares ETF, the coin CoinShares ETF, the FTSE India, all of it. I only have long-term stock, which I want to buy and hold for basically forever. So because I don't need to sell and I don't want to sell, yeah, that's basically why I love the downturn, because it means I can just buy more shares for less money. And I mean, that's it for today.